Now that we're done making the website design, we're going to go into the HTML now and start putting some stuff in the website. Click on the index.html. Let's look at our PDF. We're going to scroll down a little bit, part 3. We're going to add some words and delete some words. We're going to put some divs in there. Right now we have these words up here. We can get rid of that. That is in the banner area. Get rid of that right there. Save it. Refresh. The words are up here are gone. We're going to put 3 divs in here. We're going to have an unordered list. We're going to have a welcome to here, and then we're going to have another div over here with reviews maybe or something like that. Down here we're going to have 2 divs. One's going to be on the left with the copyright, and then the one on the right over here is going to have navigation. We're going to put navigation up here and a logo too. So we're going to put some more divs. Alright, we're going to make a div called banner left and banner right, and we're going to put navigation in that, and we're going to put a logo in that. So let's go back to HTML. What I like to do now is I like to put some space between my divs. Okay, and then I like to nest them. Put the divs like this. Inside of this div, I'm going to press tab, and I'm going to make a new div. I can copy this one, paste it, and banner underscore left, close the div, copy that, enter, paste, and then banner right. In banner left, we're going to put the logo. Banner right, we're going to put navigation. Let's copy this and get rid of this is where the content will be. We'll just highlight it, press enter, and then we'll paste those 2 divs here with logo navigation. But we're going to write content left, content right, and I might do this too. Content left, write that right there, content right. Now I need a middle one, so I'll copy this one, paste, and I'll say content middle or center. It's up to you what you want to call it. And then we're going to do one more for the bottom div, the footer. This is where the footer will be. Press enter, paste, and then instead of banner, we're going to write footer and footer. And instead of logo on the left, we're just going to say we're going to put copyright, and on the right side we're going to do navigation, just like this navigation up here. So it might be even the same thing. Let's save it and let's refresh our page, see what we got so far. Refresh. Okay, up here you will see that we have logo and navigation on top of each other, content left, middle, and right here, and then we have copyright navigation. We're going to push that over with the padding soon, so don't worry about that. But we got everything ready to go, and we're going to put the image inside of the HTML for the logo. We're not going to put it in the background of the div. We could, but it's quicker to put it inside of the HTML. So where it says logo, highlight it. We're going to put a image tag, src for source, equals quotation marks. We want to use the logo that's in the double identity images folder, logo.png. Okay, so that's what I want to go to. The source is going to be images folder / logo.png. Save, refresh, let's see what happened. That's cool, but I want to get the div to go down and to the right, so I have to do that with the CSS. and I want to get this navigation to come over here to the right. I have to do that with CSS. I'm going to put navigation in first. Let's see, navigation, I need a home page, of course. I need a contact page. I want to get a reviews for the movie. This is a movie, double identity. I want to have trailers for the movie. And I want to have a Facebook page to promote the movie. Okay. Let's pull that out a little bit so you can see everything that's going on. Homes, review, trailers, Facebook, contacts. Save. Refresh the page. I'm going to bring this a little smaller so we can see what we're doing. See how that goes back and forth like that? It's pretty cool. All right. So do we see the words? Yeah, they're right here. Now we're going to get the CSS to push it over to the right. What we need to do is make a class for the banner left and banner right. So I'm going to copy that, go to my style sheet. Underneath banner, that's where I'll put it. Dot is class, right? Class, banner underscore left, squiggly brackets, tab. I'm going to snag the background color. Remember, I always do background color first to make sure I know where I'm at. And I'm going to write, let's see, I'm going to do red. No, let's do purple. Save it. Banner left, refresh. Now I have a banner. Whoa, it goes all the way. Oh, interesting. So how wide is the double identity image? Well, if we take our banner left and we say width, colon, semicolon, go inside that, and then say, let's say 300 pixels to be safe. Save it. That will make this purple 300 pixels wide instead of 760, which it is right now, or 100%. That's good. We're good with that. I can go a little smaller. So let's say 250. Save. Refresh. Looking good. I want that banner, the navigation to come over here, right in front of his face, to come over here and inside the dark area. So let's do the next one. Dot banner. Whoops, that's not what I want. I'm just going to snag this code. Banner left, and then write banner right. And let's do a different color. Let's do an orange. I'm dyslexic. And the width, I'm going to say 500. Save and refresh. Okay, now I want to get this to come up over here. So I'm going to do a new thing. If you're in your part 3, you can come down here and you can see things that I've done. It says it needs to float right. I want it to float. So in my HTML, okay, I got to do my CSS. Banner right, float, colon, right, semicolon, save, and refresh. Whoop, it went to the right, but it needs to go up. In order for the div to go up, I have to tell this div to float to the left. Then this one will come up. So, banner left, I'm going to put in float left. Save, and refresh. Oh, there it is. Now, it keeps going crazy, right? Now, in order to get this div to come down, I got to tell the margin up here to push it down. Okay? So let's go to banner right again. We're going to write margin. And we're going to say, let's say 60 pixels from the top. 0 pixels on the right, 0 pixels on the bottom, 0 pixels on the left. Save it and refresh. Push it down. It's in a perfect spot, but I need to get the home reviews, trailers, Facebook contact to go to the right side over here. So text align right would be the good thing to do next. text align, put a dash in there. It's gonna align the text to the right. Save it, refresh, boom, there we go. We're doing good. Now I'm going to take the colors away from the backgrounds of these divs. All right, banner left purple. I'm just going to get rid of the color. I might want to put the color in again later, so I won't get rid of the code. Refresh. Bam. Now I can't see the words, so I have to make the words white, right? So banner right. Let's go to the code over here. Let's see what I wrote. I didn't say anything about color yet, but I can do that right now. We're going to do the color of the font. We're going to write white for now. What I'd like to do is I'd like to get to like this light blue here for the font. Refresh. There we go. Contact reviews, trailers, Facebook contact. Now I want to push it to the left, so that's padding inside the div, right? So we're going to go padding. You can say dash right, or you can just do padding and then do the 4 numbers, the pixel, 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 like you did here with the margin. Or you can write padding dash right. There's all kinds of codes you can write. I'm going to put it over 15 pixels from the right. Refresh. Where did it go? Sometimes these things get out of hand. We might have to, oh, it's down here. I don't know how it got down there. That's crazy. But it did go over 15 pixels. So, let me see what else I got going on here. What if I do this? Padding, 0 pixels on top, 15 pixels on right, 0 pixels on bottom, 0 pixels on left, save it, and refresh. Let's see what happens. It's still down here. I gotta figure that out. I'm gonna figure that out later. I'm gonna take that code out of there. It was working before, so let's just stick with it right now. I don't feel like troubleshooting all day. Let's stop the video and go on to the next part.